Hello everyone. Today we will study about animal and their young ones. So first we will study about fishes. Fish lay thousands of eggs at a time. This cluster of eggs is called spawn. Fish eggs do not have any shells. They are surrounded by a kind of jelly to protect them from water. The fish eggs develop into a larvae of fish that live off a yolk sac that is attached with their body. When the yolk sac is fully absorbed, it is called fry. Fries feed on their own and develop into a young fish that grow into adults. Now the next one is amphibians. Amphibians are the animal that can live both on land as well as in water. Example, frog. The life cycle of a frog has four stages. The the egg cluster of a frog are called spawn. The eggs of a frog hatch into a tadpoles. A tadpole is very different from an adult frog. It looks like a small fish and has a tail. In water, the tadpole breathes with gills. It gradually loses its tail and develops legs. They also lose gills and develop lungs to breathe. The process of changing of tadpole into a frog is called metamorphosis. Means to change the form from tadpole to a young adult frog. Now the next one is reptiles. So reptiles like snakes, lizard, turtle, crocodile lay eggs in a safe place on the ground. Their eggs are protected by a thick and leathery shell. Most reptiles do not take care of their eggs. The eggs are warmed by the heat of the sun. A snake lays around 10 to 15 eggs. These eggs hatch into a young ones known as snakelets. The young snakes feed on the small animals and take 2 to 4 years to become an adult. A young snake sheds skin up to 4 times a year. This process of shedding skin from old to new is called molting. Now the next is insect. All insect lay eggs. Some insect like grasshopper, cockroaches go through three stages in their life cycle. On the other hand, the insect like housefly, butterfly pass through four different stages in their life cycle. The life cycle of cockroach. A female cockroach lay eggs in a dark and safe place. The baby cockroach coming out of an egg is very much similar to the adult one. It is called a nymph. At this stage, it does not have wings. As it grows, it sheds old skin and grow a new one several times, just like a molting. In the case of snake, after a number of moltings, a nymph grow into an adult. Now we can see the flow chart over here that shows the three stages of cockroaches and the four different stages in the life cycle of butterfly. Now, the life cycle of butterfly. The female butterfly lay eggs in a cluster on the upper part of a leaf. When the egg breaks, the larva, which look like a worm, hatches out of the eggs. The life cycle of a butterfly also shows metamorphosis, means to change its form. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. It eats leaves and grow rapidly. So this stage is known as a very active stage in the life cycle of butterfly. After some time, it stops eating and form a covering of a cocoon around itself. In this stage, it is called pupa, and this stage is also called a resting stage. Inside the cocoon, the caterpillar changes into a beautiful butterfly. And after that, an adult butterfly breaks free from this cocoon, means the adult butterfly comes out when the cocoon break out. Thank you.